We start you off with a 13-year-old grade 7 learner from Karabo Primary School in Naledi who has been left traumatized after allegedly receiving a phone call. And this is from a teacher accused of raping her while he was in prison awaiting trial. The teacher is appearing in a Protea Magistrates Court on charges of allegedly raping the learner earlier this year. The victim's family, as well as the community members, have raised concerns about the accused allegedly accessing a cell phone in prison and a call that has a relevant authority to investigate the matter and to take appropriate action.
Njengoba liqhubeka kwinkundla kaMantyi yaseProtea ityala lokudlwengula elibandakanya utitshala wesikolo samabanga aphantsi iKarabo eNaledi. Kungoku nje kukho izityholo ezitsha zokuba lo titshala ungumrhanelwa ufowunele ixhoba ngelixa esentolongweni.
The case was remanded to E7 September because of new dockets that were submitted. So there's 2 more dockets that were added on top of this case that we are attending a Protea Magistrate Court. Ubaba Kentlek uthi he called the guy. Wafuna ukuba sure ukuthi he's the guy. Wafuna nge-video call. Video call, that's where they took screenshots of the perpetrator aphakathi etrongweni afonela umntwana ngaphandle. Umntwana that day ukhale the whole day. Ukhale the whole day because imqalisela phansi lento bekathi uyahila umntwana, and then this thing yet decided ukuthi izofonela umntwana. How can a prisoner even a cell phone inside? Sicela bo Minister Kubai to intervene in this thing. Department of Education must intervene into this thing because lo mntwana lo akekho sharp. One thing for sure, ifamily yona iwest because of abatholing isho naleyo support. The support that they only get is the community support, which thina vele sila asindawo.
Embindini woku isikhalo sisamile sokungabikho kwenkxaso efunyanwa lusapho. Ngoko isimemelelo sesokuba amasebe abandakanyekayo adlale indima yawo.
It shows that the school, especially the principal, they don't care. The department, they don't care. They never have check on the family. Abakase bazo check ifamily ukuthi bahamba kanjani through this thing. Umntwana uhila kanjani throughout this thing. Nobody cares. These people, they don't, especially the school. We can't be sithiwe umntwana athuswe umuntu avalelwe. Yabona ngcono bathina lithuna lakhe abe kungcono, but uvalelwe mara still une access yomntwana. Ngathi i-Minister of Justice and the department can not just write statements, but can they show ukuthi they care about these families? Ngoba obvious akusi umntwana lo example yomntwana oyi-1, but kuna in this country later lezenzakala everywhere anala abantu labaya supportwa na nangabe this one ekulemlight so ingasupportwa laba esekufihlakaleni kwenzakalani ngabo. Can this department ba act somvar, not just right?
Inkqubo zenkundla ziyaqhubeka. Umrhanelwa kulindeleke ukuba avele kwakhona kwinkundla kaMantyi kwinyanga ezayo. Kwiindaba zaSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eNaledi.